Hi, this is Riddhesh Pawar. I joined in Infusion as an analyst in managed services. Previously, I enrolled on the various courses, but I believe investment bank and a hedge fund program course offered by Magic Institute of Excellence that creates a magnificent impact on my career because they provide direct interaction with the industry experts and in-depth domain knowledge with the live trading experience. Trainer work from industry who carries a 10 plus years of experience who trained us live trading to financial modeling and how the domain functions. As an individual, it helps me a lot. Well, as a beginner in this field, it improves my communication skills and how to perform efficiently in interviews. I would like to thank Magic Institute of Excellence and Deloitte Trainer for helping me out in my career journey. Thank you so much.